Tangaçoa de Diego Soares, one of the biggest cities in Madagascar. Like most of Madagascar, the architecture here is heavily French influenced. Here, however, it's because of a huge port that was established by the French decades ago. Here's a shot of downtown. Soares, Madagascar, very northern tip. Here's the port, one of the biggest reasons why this city is moving. Economy is growing because of this huge port. Another beautiful city in Madagascar, best country in the world, Mozambique.